Welcome to this lesson on SEO writing. If you ever searched for something on Google and clicked one of the top results, that didn't happen by accident. Someone wrote that content with SEO or search engine optimization in mind, meaning they structured their writing so that Google or any other search engine could understand and rank it. So how do you do the same? How do you write content that not only engages readers but also gets discovered by search engines? That's exactly what we are going to cover in this lesson. Let's start with the fundamentals. What is SEO writing? SEO writing is the process of creating content that is both valuable to readers and optimized for search engines. The goal is to rank higher in search results so that more people can find your content. But here's the trick. SEO isn't just about stuffing keywords into your writing. It's about providing helpful, well-structured content that search engines recognize as useful and relevant to the user's query. Before we dive into writing techniques, it helps to understand how search engines rank content. Google and other search engines use three key steps. Crawling. Search engines send bots called crawlers or spiders to scan web pages. Indexing. The crawled pages are stored in a massive database. Ranking. When someone searches for a topic, Google finds and ranks the most relevant pages. Your job as an SEO writer is to optimize your content so it gets crawled, indexed, and ranked as high as possible. Now let's talk about keywords, the backbone of SEO writing. So what are keywords? Keywords are the words and phrases people type into Google when searching for something. If you know what people are searching for, you can create content that matches their intent, making it more likely to rank. For example, if someone searches for the best gaming laptops under $1,000 and you write in an article with that exact topic, Google is more likely to show your content in the results. How to find the right keywords? There are several tools to help you find high-ranking keywords, including Google's Keyword Planner. It's free but requires a Google Ads account, Ubersuggest, which is great for beginners, Ahrefs and SEMrush, it's a more advanced but paid, and Google Search itself. SEO writing is a science for itself, and we will cover in-depth SEO guide and keyword research in the later topics, in the later lectures, so stay tuned. So when choosing keywords, focus on search volume. So how many people are searching for this keyword? Keyword difficulty. How hard is to rank for this keyword? Search intent. What is the user looking for? Information, a product to buy, or a tutorial? There are two types of keywords. We have short tail keywords. They are broad terms like gaming laptops. They are high in search volume but hard to rank for. Next, we have long tail keywords, more specific phrases like best gaming laptops for under $1,000, less competition and easier to rank for. So the sweet spot is to target long tail keywords because they attract more focused traffic and convert better. Now that you got to the right keywords, how do you optimize your content for search engines? Here are the key on-page SEO techniques. First, use keywords strategically. Place your main keyword in the title, the first 100 words, at least one subheading, the meta descriptions, and the URL, and throughout the content naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Next, write engaging titles and meta descriptions. Your title should be catchy and include your keyword. For example, the bad title will be Laptops for Gaming. The good title will be The 10 Best Gaming Laptops Under $1,000 Buyer's Guide. Your meta description, it's the small snippet shown in the search results, should be concise, keyword rich, and compelling enough to make people click. Optimize your headings and structure. Break your content into scannable sections using H1, H2, and H3 headings. Don't worry for now, this is just an overview of the SEO techniques. We will cover this in the next lectures and we'll go deep into the SEO and keyword research and everything that you see here. If you break your content into scannable sections, this will help both readers and search engines understand your content. For example, the top title will be Best Gaming Laptops Under $1,000, subtitle will be What to Look For in a Gaming Laptop, and the next title will be Top 10 Picks for 2025. Next, improve readability. Google favors content that is easy to read. Use short paragraphs, bullet points and lists, simple language and images and videos. Internal links. Link to other related content on your site to keep visitors engaged. And we have external links, link to reputable sources and build credibility. And if you're writing about SEO tools, link to Google's Keyword Planner. And don't forget to optimize your images. Google can't see images, so you need to help it out. Use descriptive file names like bestgaminglaptop.jpg instead of some random number. Add alt text, for example, top-rated gaming laptop under $1,000 with RGB keyboard, and compress images for faster loading speeds. I will show you exactly how you do every of these steps in the later lectures. Google ranks mobile-friendly sites higher. Ensure your text is easy to read on phones and that images resize properly on smaller screens. SEO writing isn't just about pleasing search engines. It's about creating useful, engaging, and well-structured content that real people want to read. Now that you understand the fundamentals, you are ready to start writing SEO-friendly content that gets discovered, ranks high, and drives traffic. In the next lesson, we'll take things further and look at how to write high-converting content that not only ranks but also makes readers take action.